Hello everyone, welcome back to part 4 of learning how to crochet. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to make double crochet. So make a knot like this and then tighten your yarn. After making knot, insert your hook, tighten the yarn and make a chain about like 20 to 25. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, chain 1. Insert your hook and grab the yarn, chain 2. Insert your hook and grab the yarn, chain 3. Keep making chain about like 25. The last chain is called chain from the hook. So we will count a chain from the hook, second chain, third chain from the hook. And there we are going to do a chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. Third chain from the hook. Yarn over into the third chain from the hook, insert your hook, grab the yarn. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, pull out 2 loop, again 2 loop. Here I am showing you the stitches where we are going to put our next double crochet stitches. Again, yarn over and into the next stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn. Now you have again 3 loops on your hook, pull out 2 loop and again 2 loop. Second double crochet is done. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn. You have 3 loops, pull out 2 loop and 2 loop. Third double crochet is done. Yarn over into the next stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull out 2 loop, again 2 loop. Fourth double crochet is done. Yarn over into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull out 2 loop and 2 loop. The steps are same. You have to put double crochet in every next stitch. Go ahead and make double crochet in the remaining stitches by yourself, and I'll show you when there is only one last stitch left of this row, and I'll show you how to finish the first row and how to start the next row. Now I have my last stitch of this row. Just go ahead and do a normal double crochet. This is how our first row of double crochet look like. To start next row, always chain 2, chain 1, chain 2 and flip your work or turn your work. And remember that these 2 chain count as first double crochet, and if you keep your stitch straight, it look like we have already made first half double crochet. So we are not going to insert in our first hole. We will start making in the second hole. Start putting our double crochet from the second hole onward. So yarn over, we are skipping that first hole and start working into the next and start making your double crochet. The steps are same. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull out 2 loop and 2 loop. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull out 2 and 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull out 2 and pull out 2. Go ahead and make the remaining stitches, and I'll show you how to finish the second row. It is same with the first one, but if you do again and again, it will make you understand more. So go ahead and finish your second row. Now I have my last stitch of the second row. Go ahead and put double crochet. Put your double crochet at the top of your stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook at the top stitch. Our second is done. Second row of double crochet is done. To start new, always chain 2. Turn your work. Like I said before, our first 2 chain count as our first double crochet, so we are not going to insert in that first hole but start making double crochet from the next hole, and it is same for every time you start a new row. So yarn over, skipping that first hole and into the next, put your double crochet. This is how you make your double crochet. Once you know how to make a chain and double crochet, you can make many things out of it, like bag, scarf, pouch, even simple tops. And if you like my video or learn something, please like and subscribe my video. And if you want to learn the next stitch, that is triple crochet, please watch my next part 5. We are going to learn there how to make a triple crochet. So see you there.